The Sphinx of Balochistan is an archaeological site located in the Makran region of Balochistan, Pakistan. It is a rock carving that bears a resemblance to the Great Sphinx of Egypt, hence its name. This ancient monument has captivated researchers and tourists alike due to its unique presence in the region. The Sphinx of Balochistan measures approximately 3 meters in height and is carved out of a natural rock formation. It depicts a human-like face with a lion's body, similar to the iconic Sphinx of Egypt. The details of the carving suggest that it was created by skilled craftsmen using primitive tools, and its origins are believed to date back to the ancient civilization that thrived in the region thousands of years ago. Due to its remote location, the Sphinx of Balochistan remained hidden for centuries. It was rediscovered in the early 20th century by archaeologists and has since become an important archaeological site in Pakistan. The site offers valuable insights into the rich cultural and historical heritage of the region, shedding light on the ancient civilizations that once flourished there. The purpose and meaning behind the Sphinx of Balochistan remain a mystery to this day, just like the Sphinx of Giza. Some theories suggest that it served as a guardian or symbol of power for the ancient civilization that existed in the area. Others speculate that it might have held religious or cultural significance in the past. The Sphinx of Balochistan in Pakistan seems like an even earlier version than its Egyptian counterpart, when all of its surroundings are placed in context with the sculpted form which sits proudly above it all. Just like the Sphinx at Giza, the Pakistani formation appears to include a head-dress similar to the Nemes head-dress worn by the ancient pharaohs, with its striped markings on a cloth which covers the crown and the back of the head of its wearer. The flaps hanging down near the ears are also clearly visible on the Balochistan Sphinx, whilst the horizontal groove resembling the pharaonic headband can be seen adorning the forehead. Remarkably, the Sphinx rests on what appears to be a temple platform with even more fascinating aspects seemingly inherent in its design. There are unusual niches and pillar-looking formations present in the mass of rock which lays beneath the Sphinx formation. So what does it mean? The Sphinx was a common symbol among ancient civilizations and cultures. Or a single culture once flourished in all parts of the world. What was the real purpose? And Sphinx of Balochistan really is an older version of Sphinx of Giza. If that's the case, then Egyptians adopted the figure from some other civilization, or people from an even older civilization traveled around the world and left their traces in different parts of the world. Some researchers dismiss the similarities, calling it pareidolia. Visiting the Sphinx of Balochistan provides a unique opportunity to explore ancient history. The site offers a chance to witness the craftsmanship of ancient civilizations and appreciate the mystery surrounding this remarkable rock carving. The area is rich in history, ancient archaeological sites and rock carvings. Deep and careful research is needed to unveil the secrets hidden in Balochistan, and maybe along this journey we will find the missing links in human history. For more interesting videos, please like, subscribe and share.